Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Can-Am SPYDER RT Limited SE6. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2019 Can-Am SPYDER RT Limited, with 1,985 miles, passes New Hampshire State Inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, heated grips, and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system in reverse. Powered by a 1330cc 3-cylinder engine. With a 6-speed transmission, the SPYDER produces 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque. With a 6.9-gallon fuel tank, the SPYDER has a 200 to 230-mile fuel range. It has a 30.4-inch seat height and a dry weight of 1,012 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured the Trike's charging output at 14 volts. Both front tires are at 7/30 seconds and the rear is at 8/30 seconds. We took this Trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and ships well. We've posted the service repair order for this Trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this Trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scrapes on the front fender. This Trike has an owner's manual and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This Trike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes equipped with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days and/or 1,000 miles and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.